Okay, so hey guys, back here with another video. So today, just like any other day, and just like every other day, and just like any other video, and just like every other video, I've got something for you. Alright, but today, let's say I have got something unusual for you. Okay, this is not usual stuff. We've been going through the CNC plotter and so on, and well, let's take that into consideration. Now, I was going through some videos for my CNC. Now, I saw someone using something and I said that was a little unusual thing, alright? That's not something that everyone uses. That's something that everyone uses, but not that one which that guy was using, alright? So let's just dive right in. I'm here to present to you, I don't know what to call it. I'm gonna take a look at it. So this here is not a piece of gold. Okay, so it's a digital multimeter. As you can see right there, it's the MAS. I don't know whether that is yes or that is A5. Alright, before 8 and after 8, so MA, let's take it as yes. Okay, MAS 830 from BTEC. It's a digital multimeter, and well, just it's not a piece of gold or something. Okay, just a multimeter. So I went forward and I ordered this. Alright, I actually did not I already have one, but I said this one was pretty good one, and so I just went up there and I got this. So let's just whoo. Oh, whoa. Can you see that? Can you see that? There's no paperwork in this. There's no warranty card. I don't know. Okay. Alright, but yeah, so this is the guy that I was talking about. Now this one has, see, this has a hardcover, so on. So yeah, so this was the guy that I was talking about. So let's take a closer look at it. Okay, alright, so let's talk about this guy here. Alright, let's just keep it right there, and let's take this one as well. Alright, cousins as we can say. So now let's go into this one first, as it is maybe not the costliest one, but you know, like a standard one which is used in most of the places. So let's go to this one first. Alright, now you see there are different sections made here, like this thing, and this says that this sign besides we says that it is AC supply tester. Okay, this toothpaste kind of thing there, this thing says that it's an AC supply tester. So AC voltage tester when you just switch it to that side. Alright, anyways, this is an old model though. Alright, now this side, this sign says that it's AC supply tester. Alright, right here. So there are different places or different numerical values where you can test those. You can just keep whichever value that you want and go ahead and test. Alright, so now this one is a pretty different one, though it has compartments or different sections like this one, but you see the highest here is 1000 volts DC, but here it is 600 volts DC. I don't know whatever that's supposed to mean though. But you see the difference between these two here is, you see this thing, this button right here, it says on the box that it has these unique characteristics here. Alright, I don't know if you can see that, it's not focusing though. Alright, these unique characteristics. So what this button is for is when you put it on and maybe you are in the night testing somewhere. Alright, so this is actually used for electrical appliances. So maybe you're testing something when the electricity is gone off, the power shut down, or the power's cut off or something, and there are no lights and you can't see this digital screen right there. You can just press that and there you go. See that? Wow, that's nice though. Alright, now here there is something that says hold. So I suppose when you just take it to some position and you get a number there and you just press hold, it will hold for you that number. See this one, if I just let that button go there, it keeps flickering from 0 to 1, but you see as I press that, when it's 1, it says hold here on top on the screen right here, and as well as there's no more flickering, there's just holding that number. So you don't just need to hold the pins right there. So what else extra we have here is nothing much though. This says that it's the common. So let me just plug in these wires for you and just show you. Alright, let's take the black one first. So now the black one is always the negative one. Alright, so the positive is the one which keeps flowing the electricity. So I am taking for granted that the black one is the common one. It just says common right here. Alright, so I'm gonna go and plug that in right there, like that, black one, right? So now let's get to the red one. So the red one, well, here it says 10 ampere DC, and here it says more than 600 volts and more than 200 milliampere, up to 250 volts maximum. So I'm supposing that when you wanna, like for small electronic circuits or whatever, small appliances, you can just put it right there and you can test that. Alright, you can test that.
So this one is the pretty good one. I just found online, and I was actually going through a video for some of my electronic stuff though, and I found this one and I thought that it is better than the ordinary one that I was using, because this goes down like that and it just breaks. But you see, this one has a pretty nice hard cover there. I don't know if I can get that out. Yeah, I think so. And there we go. See? So yeah, that's the size now, and I suppose this is quite big one. So the back cover is what makes it really big, but this itself is what it makes itself better than the ordinary one. So like functions like the black light, the whole function, and so on. So this is pretty nice strong back cover now. This is not gonna break. So let's say that this is another thing that you can adopt as more than the ordinary one. So This is a pretty good standard one. I have seen many of the engineers, electronic engineers, using this, and electricians as well. You know, the cable guy that comes in and says, whoa, the cable's gone, and just takes this out. I've seen that. I've seen the people using this one in particular. So I just went and bought that, and I wanted to show you guys that this is a pretty nice one. It's bigger than my Android phone. I don't know how come these things are bigger than my Android phone and low cost, but I suppose they have a smaller screen or something. I don't know. I'm just joking. So that's all, and you can see that it's pretty standard one. But you know, just taking a look at the cables here, the way the cables are, I mean, yeah, that's nice. They are packed. You can keep them safe from rusting off. See that? Nice. So this is the B-Tech. Once again, it's made by B-Tech, and it's the MAS 830 Yell. Well, it says Yell here, and it doesn't say Yell there. Whoa. Now, I'm not sure what's that supposed to mean. Okay, yeah. Okay, I get it. So the MAS 830 has a couple of subdivisions in it. So it's the MAS 830 itself, then the MAS 830B, then the MAS 830L, and the MAS 838. So whoa, okay, I get it now. So this one is the 838 series, and from those 838 series, it's the subdivision L. Alright, so there is a subdivision B and the original subdivision of 830 itself, and another one that's 838. So you see the tick mark right there. So yeah, that's the right one. Alright, that's the right one. So I suppose all of these four come in the same box. They don't want to manufacture different box for different series, whatever, I don't know. So this is the, once again, it's the MAS 830 L series, this one. Otherwise you might go for B series or the 830 itself, whatever. So thank you, and keep in touch for even more things. Alright.